from being outside in the rain. Look at what it did to the bottom of my braid. Whoops. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 7th, 2018. It is 11:05, and today I have work, so today I am wearing this tie-dye shirt and my brown shorts. Brown shorts, and my hair is back in a braid. My hair is back in the braid. So yeah, today I have work, and it's supposed to be another hot day. It's about close to 80 degrees right now, maybe close to 85. So it's supposed to be near 90 again, so it's supposed to be pretty hazy and hot. But I think after today it's supposed to cool down, so we'll see. But yeah, good morning, you guys. Just sitting here playing a couple of games on my phone before I leave for work. Today for lunch, I don't feel like going over to the fridge, but today for lunch I have green grapes, a turkey and salami sandwich, and Cool Ranch Dorito chips, and of course my water bottle. So that is my lunch for today. Beautiful. Anyways, I just put on some sunscreen because it's supposed to be pretty hot today. Yeah, I'm just chilling. Gonna go to work here pretty soon. But I will see you guys after. Alright, you guys, so it's been a while. It is now 6:12, and this is my dinner. It's just some goulash with some elbow noodles, meat sauce, and regular diced tomato sauce. So here are the dishes. They're all clean. They're just drying, but there they are. My hair still looks normal. It's 6:12 and I'm home. I actually ended up getting caught in the really bad thunderstorm, but don't worry, I am safe. I got home safe. I stayed in with a family member until the rain let up, and then got a ride home from them. So I'm safe. I'm just gonna enjoy my dinner. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, and then I will catch up with you guys then. I will also probably give a grocery haul because my mom went grocery shopping last night, so we got quite a bit of things. So maybe I'll do a grocery haul. So the dishes are all clean, and I have little cutie curls because of the rain. And you guys, that was probably one of the craziest storms that I have ever been in. I've been in worse situations, but this was by far one of the worst for me being alone. One of the worst situations I have been in. But right now it is 7:22 and it's now beautifully sunny outside. It's drying up now. But you guys, that rain was literally coming down in bullets. It was a lot of rain. But like I said earlier, I got home safe. I'm wearing some dry clothes, and I got home safe. I was kept sheltered and calmed down because I was very overwhelmed, terrified, to say the least, scared and like traumatized, like a 5-year-old child. Scared. I was screaming. That thunder just blows you out of your way. Oh my gosh, it was worse. It was so bad. It was the worst. But you guys, I am gonna sleep so good tonight after all of what I just went through. And you can probably tell by my voice, just from being out in that rain and so much like yelling and terrifying, my voice is a little raspy now, so it's a little off. But there's my story. Got caught in a dramatic thunderstorm like the Wizard of Oz, but worse. The Wizard of Oz. Worse. Like I said, I'm safe. But I'm gonna go ahead and I was gonna do a grocery haul, so let's do that. Okay, to start off, we have cereal. We have Crisp Crunch cereal and like Cocoa Puffs right here. And then we have an open cereal here. Cabinet-wise, we have crackers right there. Old-fashioned oats, noodles, and a bunch of rice, jambalaya rice, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Down here, we just have peanut butter, lemonade mix. Nothing too fancy there. Bananas, there's only one left now. Fridge-wise, we have, like I said, lemonade, bread, lunch meat, cheese, a bunch of milk, watermelon, and grapes, which is my favorite thing, more lunch meat, a bunch of meat that has to be packaged right there in that bag right there. We've got eggs, large thing of eggs, more bread, other meat packages, frozen berries, butter, which is right here, butter, and then we have a food cabinet, other cans and jarred products. Overall, that is it for the grocery haul. Now I can turn the fan back on. I'll turn it on low. Overall, that is it for the grocery haul. We got a lot, but with it being packaged away the way that it is, I'm not really going to take anything out because we have things in certain places and cabinets that we like to keep them in. So, yeah. But, there's spit on here. It's going for 7:30. Just here chilling after the horrific afternoon that I had. Even my shoes are still going in the dryer because they were soaked through. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I was thinking of bringing an umbrella before I left, but I said to myself, I don't think an umbrella would have actually helped because of how bad the wind was. I would have been like Mary Poppins. Not even Mary Poppins, but like Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. That's why I said this was like The Wizard of Oz, but worse. Because it was just awful. But yeah, I've got some laundry going. My shoes are going in the dryer. It's 7:30 and I'm full on dinner. I had a bunch of watermelon, a bunch of grapes, and the goulash that I showed earlier, which was delicious. So I wanted to show this really quick. The new green bracelet that I have, other than the Lokai bracelet, I actually got this at work. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. You'll see it in tomorrow's vlog, but yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. Say goodnight to my little curls, because just say goodnight to them, because you'll see them more tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I thank you guys for your well wishes to me. I got home safe. I'm fine. I feel safe and more comfortable and settled at home. So thank you guys for the well wishes and safety, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.